Welcome to YCAD Wonders. I'm Ganesh from Bangalore. Okay, in this video, let's see more on decimal numbers. So actually in our last video, we saw how to multiply two decimal numbers. See, same concept can be applied or extended to multiply three or more decimal numbers. For example, let's say we need to multiply 235 into 0.2 into 0.03. So what was the concept we learnt? So to multiply any two decimal numbers, so we just need to multiply without the decimal point, and then place the point appropriately in the result. Okay, so following that rule, see, first number there's no decimal point, so write that as it is. Second number 0.2, if point is removed it becomes 2, so third one becomes 3. So this is equal to 235 into, say 2 into 3, 6. Say 6 into 5, 30. 3, 6 into 3, 18 plus 3, 21. So 2, 6 into 2, 12 plus 2, 14. So we get 1410. Okay. So 1410. So how many decimal place? See, first number has no decimal place, second one has one decimal place, third one has two decimal places. So 1 plus 2, 3. That means result should have 3 decimal places. So point comes here between 1 and 4, 1.41. And as I said, this the rightmost the trailing zeros can be removed. So 1.410 is equal to 1.41. Okay, so this is the result. Okay, now fraction. Okay, let's say we want to divide so 13 by 5. Say 13 by 5 is a fraction. So what is 13 by 5? So it can be considered as converting to decimal or dividing 13 by 5. So when you divide 13 by 5, what we get? So but as a mixed fraction, what it becomes, say 2 times 10, remainder 3, so 2, 3 by 5. So how to convert to decimal form? So here it has 2, 3 by 5 means what? Whole number part is 2, fractional part is 3 by 5. So we can convert this fraction to decimal 3 by 5. So how to convert 3 by 5 to decimal? So divide 3 by 5. So let's divide 3 by 5. So again 3 is same as 3.0 or 3.0. So you can write as many zeros as we want. Okay, now okay, see, let's take first digit 3. So 3 divided by 5. See 3. So because 3 is less than 5. So it's 0 times, so you cannot divide 3 by 5, so 0 times. Okay, then we'll take next digit also, then it becomes 30. So but we are taking the next digit after the decimal point, so we need to place a point, the quotient. So 30, how many times 5? 6 times. So we got remainder 0. So it is 0.6. So what does it mean? So 3 by 5 is 0.6. So this can be written as 2.06. So this is one way, or we can see divide 13 by 5 directly. See 5, 13, see 2 times 10, divided 3. Then again, as I said, 13 means what? 13.00, or 0, any number of zeros can be added. So let's bring the next digit down. Next digit is 0, 30. Again, we have taken the digit after the decimal point, so we will place a point here. So 30, so 6 times, 6 into 5, 30, 0. So therefore, yeah, this 0.6 is not 2.06, because okay, 2.6, isn't it? Because when you divide 3 by 5, you get 0.6. It's not 0.06, so 2.6. So same result we got here, 2.6. Okay, so that means, so if the fraction 13.5 when converted to decimal, it becomes 2.6. So another way of looking at it is, if 13 is so this what? So 13 divided by 5 equal to 2.6. So it can be interpreted any way. So likewise, any decimal can be converted to a fraction. So let's take the same number, 2.6. So how to convert this to fraction? So to convert to fraction, remove the decimal point and write it as a numerator, so it becomes 26. Okay, divided by say 2.6 is one decimal place, so denominator will be 1 followed by 10. So 2.6 is equal to 26 by 10. If simplified further, both are divisible by 2, then becomes 13 by 5. So which is same, this one, 13 by 5. Similarly 0.7. So here, if we remove decimal point, it becomes 7, and one decimal place, so denominator is 10, because 10, 1 followed by 10, so 7 by 10. So it is 0.07. Then again, if the decimal point is removed, the value is 7, so which is that becomes the numerator. Okay, denominator, since it has two decimal places, the denominator will be 1 followed by 2 zeros, that means 7 by 100 and so on. So suppose 2.07, then if decimal point is removed, it becomes 207, that's numerator. Denominator is 100 because the number has 2 decimal places. So 3.7 is 37 by 10 because only 1 decimal place. So this is easy, this way to convert a decimal to fraction. So we saw 13.5 when divided or this fraction converted to decimal is 2.6. So that means after 6 no more decimal place. Correct. So this type of decimal is called terminating decimal. So because we got say remainder 0. So when divided by when divided 13 by 5, so we got remainder 0. Similarly 13 by 4, what do you get? So when you divide 13 by 4, see 4 times, see 3 times 12, remainder 1, okay, then add 0, okay, then after the decimal point 0 comes, then place a decimal point, so then 10 divided by 4 2 times, 8, remainder 2, again 0, 20, so 5 times 20. So again we get the remainder 0. So after that no more digit. So 13 by 4 is 3.25. Okay, these are all terminating decimals. That means it has fixed number of decimal places. Or after certain decimal places, so decimal digits are 0 because 3.25 also can be written as 3.250. You can add any number of zeros. Correct. So these are all terminating decimals. So what happens when you divide 13 by 3 now? So 13 divided by 3. So let's divide by 3. So 4 times 12, remainder 1, so add 0, so place a point, then 3 times 9, again remainder 1, add 0. Why we add 0 is because 13 is can be written as 13.000 and so on. So then again 3 times 9, again 1, 0 again. See, it goes on like this. It will always say remainder never becomes 0. So again 3 into 3 9 times, remainder 1 comes. So when you divide 13 by 3, we get 4.3333. So it will go on like 3333. Okay. So it doesn't end. We will never get remainder 0. That means what it is, a non-terminating decimal. See, another thing we observe is non-terminating, but it's recurring because no digits are repeating. So 333. So in a shorter form, this can be written as 4.3 bar. So on the digits which are recurring, which get repeated. So digit that gets repeated, in place of bar or dot, or this can also be written as 4.3 this dot. Okay. So these are all recurring, also called recurring decimal, non-terminating decimal. So non-terminating but recurring. So in general, recurring decimal means non-terminating decimal with one or more decimal points repeating. Suppose it's 26, you want to divide by 4, or simple division, divide by 2. So we get 13. Correct. So this is also okay. This 13 again. This is a what? This is, it can be treated as a decimal also. So 13 can be written as 13.0. So this is a terminating decimal because this is can be written as 13.0. So suppose we get so recurring decimals like this, for example, say 3.23, 23, 23, 23, and goes on like this. Then this can be written as 3.23 bar. Okay, so that means the digits 2 and 3. Okay, so so they repeat indefinitely. So it's a non-terminating decimal but a recurring decimal. This is a recurring decimal. This can also be written as 3.2. So by placing a dot over the recurring digits. So as I said earlier, these are recurring decimals. And some more I like to discuss interesting things, addition of fractions. So 3 plus 2 by 5. So how to add? Actually this can result, it can immediately be written like this: 3 2 by 5. Or 3 plus 4 2 by 5. This can be written as, say, 3 plus 4. See, because 2 by 5 whole number part is 4. So 3 plus 4 7, 7 2 by 5. So no need to find the LCM or convert to improper fraction and find LCM and add. Okay, so I'll show you. Suppose. So actually, it's a long way if you convert to mixed improper fraction, take LCM and add. Because if there is only only one proper fraction or mixed fraction, then so it can easily be added like this. Okay, so I'll just show you this. If you do the other way also, you will get same result. Let's say 3. Okay, normally how do you add? 3 plus, convert to improper fraction, 4 into 5, 20 plus 2, 22 by 5. So 3 means what? 3 by 1. So what do? You take the LCM. LCM of 1 and 5 is 5. Common. That's a common denominator. We then, so what we do? We divide 5 by 1. So we get 5. So we multiply by 5. Similarly, when divide 5 by 5, we get 1. So by 1 we multiply this number. So now we have 3 into 5, 15, plus 22 into 1, 22. 15 plus 22 is 37. 37 by 5. Okay, now let's convert to mixed fraction. So 7 times 35, remainder 2. So 7 2 by 5. Correct. Say 7 2 by 5. Same. Okay, let's see more in the next video. Thank you.